Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how I can connect your PayPal account to Fiverr. So first thing that you should do is you just have to open any of your web browser and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Fiverr and log into your account. Okay, so once you are here, just tap on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. Okay, and then you have here now your billing and payment. So tap on it. That's right. And then here you just have to go to your payment methods. Okay, so here easily manage your payments methods through their, secure system. So you have your PayPal. So if you would like to add another, payment method and you are not currently using the PayPal, then you just have to tap on this option. Okay, and then you just have to select the PayPal. So in order to complete your PayPal registration, they will need to transfer you over to PayPal secure servers. So tap on that one. Okay, and then this section will open. So you just have to input your PayPal details so you would be able to successfully connect it to your Fiverr account. Okay, so after that, you just have to tap on the agree and continue. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.